Less than 2% of tourism income currently benefits the Maasai community. To solve this community problem, the Maasai community launched the Mara Guide Association in 2016. The MGA would grow to provide a certification platform for Mara guides. As of June 2018, the MGA has grown to 205 Mara guides and 115 Toyota Land Cruisers. Mara guides do not have a local trustworthy vehicle repair and maintenance resource. More than 50% of MGA guide income currently go towards vehicle repair instead of their family and community. This is why we are working with the Maasai community to build the first Maasai Automotive Education Center.
This is a vision of the community. It is not a project that just came out of nowhere. It's a project that came out of numerous discussions and observations about what's going on in the tourism industry here, the various areas of this industry where communities are being deprived of economic benefits. And therefore this project attempts to address just one of those problems. A lot of these young people operate here, they live here, they provide these services here to the tourists. They do not have adequate facilities in this area to service these vehicles, to repair, to do any kind of mechanical work.
The next best automotive shop from the Mara is around 110 or 120 kilometers. I don't know how to convert that into miles, but it's far away from this place, and so it really involves the guides when they want their cars to be repaired. It costs a lot because either if your car is totally broken and it can't move, then you have to find for towing services, which also you have to pay for.
We do really get different breakdowns. Some other people can get radiator breakups whenever you drive within maybe a big water level, which can come above the lights of the vehicle. Secondly, some of the people come across breaking down of the springs or breaking down of the center bolts, U-bolts, which are caused by big ditches.
This project will transform Maasai land. I can say that with tremendous confidence. And once this project has been achieved, we are going to see the economic empowerment of this community. We are going to see wealth creation because our young men and women will be able to save some money to educate their children, to build clinics, and to do other things that they are not able to do right now because people are stealing from them. I just want to ask my friends at ASU to stay on this and to work with you and work with us and work with colleagues in ASU to help this dream come true for the community. And I think that if that were to happen, I can tell you for sure, people from all over this continent will be coming here to see this model of our project.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Maasai.
Thanks. So keep working, man. Keep working.
Oh, man.